Hi, welcome back to Marketing Prof for this unique series about Fiverr. So Fiverr is this online service marketplace or online services platform, which is very popular and visited by millions of buyers and the freelancers or agencies, studios. So did you know that Fiverr actually receives more average monthly visitors than another leading platform known as Upwork.com? Upwork or Upwork.com. So when we look on the statistics that's provided by SimilarWeb, we'll notice that Fiverr has a higher global rank, which means it is being loved by more people, more business owners or entrepreneurs or executives from around the world. So corporate senior executives. In the US alone, it's also higher in terms of the ranking, and it is receiving about 59 million on average, and based on the previous month, which is this is calculated based on the previous month, which is the month of December 2020. And this is Upwork, which is just about 32 million. So immediately you can see the difference between the popularity or which platform does these buyers or all these business owners or entrepreneurs really favor. So the average visit duration is also higher on Fiverr as compared to Upwork. So this is the average traffic, average visitors, like it's getting steady traffic, and sometimes it gets higher amount of visitors. And did you know that Fiverr is also listed in the New York Stock Exchange? And the business is also good for Fiverr since its inception. And right now business is good for Fiverr up until the latest, from its inception up until the latest performance. So if you are a marketer or a business owner or entrepreneur, so you can take a look at this sub-affiliate or multi-tier affiliate or partnership program that's being provided by Fiverr. So every affiliate or partner that we are able to attract into our team or our organization will entitle us to earn an additional 10% out of their existing Fiverr affiliates account. So that's not all. If we look at the other common perks that's being offered by Fiverr, you can see that there's like Fiverr CPA. So there's like the cost per acquisition. This is for new registration and new purchase from every buyer. So if they purchase a Fiverr Pro plan, they will get like you'll get $150, and if they purchase like 5 whiteboard and animated explainers, they'll get like $50, and so on and so forth. You can get the full list from the link that's being provided in the description section. So just go ahead and take a look. And the most interesting part is the Fiverr hybrid plan, which offers a fixed CPA, which is $10 for every new registration, but there's an ongoing net deposits revenue share, which is 10% out of every buyer that registers a Fiverr account and buys services from using that Fiverr account. Yeah, so there's also like revenue share for Fiverr Learn, which is like 30%. Yeah, so this is the interesting part about this multi-tier affiliate program that's very rare for established corporations. Yeah, so that's all for this unique video. So stay tuned for other tutorials or videos just like this, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification, and leave your thoughts about this Fiverr affiliate program, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thanks.